Everyone dance. The flying ninja. How about that?
Umpa's sitting with the dog in his lap. He can't dance.
I mean with your head. I can just do it for my whole body.
Yeah, you're a good dancer, Lyra. You're a good dancer. Wow. Wow, that's good balance. I love that cat on your shirt.
It's a fox.
Oh. I love the fox on your shirt.
Maisie wants to take you with her favorite unit.
Aww.
Oh, good girl. Shall we do it?
Yeah, of course she likes you.
Maisie liked my face.
Oh, yeah, that's because she likes you. Uh-oh. Bring it.
Bring it, girl. Bring it. Bring it.
Brat.
Let go.
Thank you, Bob.
No, Maisie, no.
We had to take our things off the
Lyra saved your book for you.
Thank you, Lyra. You're welcome. So Maisie won't get it.
Yeah, Maisie wants everything on the floor.
I'll put it up. Maisie's king of the floor.
Yeah.
There you go. I put it up
Yeah.
so she won't get it.
I'm Maisie.
Whoa!
I'm Maisie.
Good Maisie. She's my favorite girl because she always likes me.
Yeah, she does.
Ooh.
Oh, you guys go.
Maisie really likes me.
Yes, she does. Maisie, get out of there. There's only trouble. Maisie!
Maisie!
Don't yell at her.
Oh, hi, Maisie.
Just have to tell her so she understands.
Maisie.
I love you, Alma.
I love you too, baby.
Here's your blanket.
That's my blankie.
She's...
Please.
Here you go, Lyra.
Thanks to see
Maisie. Maisie.
I'll put it up.
Maisie. Come here. Maisie. Come.
I'll give her something to
Maisie,
keep
come.
her occupied.
Drop it.
When she comes to you, Leland, grab her collars. Grab it now. Oh.
Let go. Let go. Let go. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl.
Thanks. I tried.
Yeah, you got to reach out and grab her collar and hang on. Of course, she might just pull you out of the chair.
Guess what I'm going to do?
What's Dad going to do? Still no chalk lines on the spot on the floor. I don't know. It's a new spot, so we haven't had a chance to clean it up yet. Pete says just needs the chalk lines around it. You don't like that phone, huh? You never liked your picture taken.
Here you go, Chewy. I'll keep busy for a little bit.
I just wanted to get.
Smells like peanut butter in the ear.
Follow the dice paper. Is that okay? Yes. Gonna take it out.
Oh, Chloe.
Follow the dice paper.
Chloe. There's Max and Elliot for there.
Thank you.
Klinger. Phoebe is sitting down in her corner where she thinks she's gonna lay eggs and raise a family at the moment. Oh, Chloe. Show me that red tail. Oh, she got such a bright red tail. Oh, Chloe.
Yeah, this is toy poodle black. Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, 6:12 p.m. Yeah, I didn't even get dressed today. I'm wearing my nightgown, long robe, sweater over it because I just walked up to the bathroom and back. So, I don't understand how, well, that just turned from 6:10. They both get the time from the internet. And how come they're different? I don't understand. The clock and the TV, I don't understand that. And I didn't look to see what it said on here. Anyway, yeah, the kids went home this afternoon. Casey and Bill came and got them. And we had a blast. They didn't, they could have stayed and I would have been fine with it. But, they don't live with us. What did we do today? Hopefully, I don't remember, basically, what we did today. So, hopefully, I took video or pictures or something. But I'm just reheating leftovers in the convection oven and set out my pills for tonight and tomorrow morning. And, yeah, Maisie with her water bottle. So, yeah, we need to take up a collection for plastic bottles because she loves them. She loves chewing them up. I'm not going to take your bottle. She just stares. I touch it with my hand. She just looked at my hand and stared perfectly still. Anyway, she's a funny girl. I could take it. I can take anything from her. She's such a good dog. So, hopefully I got some good pictures and video, because right now I'm just going to go and, like I said, I didn't even get dressed today, so I don't know what tomorrow will hold, what we'll be doing. We don't go out on Black Friday. We just stay in the house and don't leave. And now we're in a shopping town, so especially now we don't leave, but we shall see. But I'm happy. I love being here. I love being so close to Casey and her family. I love seeing the grandkids. I love having a Kroger here. I love all the big thrift stores. We have a Salvation Army that is enormous, enormous. I love being near Solden's, which is a small family-owned chain of pet stores. I love, being near Saginaw and the Asian markets and the good restaurants and coffee shops. And although I just ordered coffee from an online coffee person and the order got messed up, not their fault. Their confirmation email had everything correct, but somehow my order of 4 bags of coffee of different flavors ended up in a mailbox in Delaware. So they reshipped the order, which I think is at the house now. Pam said she got something the day before yesterday, a box, but she didn't say what it was. I evidently have a doctor's appointment Tuesday, so we'll be going up to Houghton Lake. I'll pick it up then. But the gal that does the, has her, it's like a home business thing, I think, where they drop ship the coffee. I don't know, I'm guessing. But anyway, she sent me a free bag of coffee for my trouble, which was above and beyond and very, very nice. And it is the most delicious Oh my gosh, it is such good coffee, and it makes me really, really wish I could drink more than 1 or 2 cups a day. But I can't. So it is so, so good though. But I'm going to try the other flavors, and I'm going to do a review on it. So, okay, I'm going to go. I will see you guys tomorrow maybe, or Sunday, or whatever. And I hope you all have a great weekend. And, you know, take care, God bless, and good night.